Every second, countless cans of Spam are rolling off production lines around the globe. But have you ever wondered how this iconic canned meat is made? What's the secret behind its long shelf life and unmistakable flavor? How does one factory churn out millions of cans with pinpoint precision? Today, we're cracking open the can, literally, and diving into the extraordinary world of food technology and taking you behind the scenes of this production powerhouse. Stay tuned and get ready to be amazed. Before we head into the nitty-gritty of Spam production, let's take a quick look back at the history of the iconic brand. Its history goes back to the heart of Austin, Minnesota, way back in the 1920s. A young visionary named J. Hormel took the reins of his father's company, Hormel Foods. One day, while observing large slabs of canned deli meat, he had an idea. What if he could take these meats, make them smaller, more convenient, and directly accessible to households? The simple but revolutionary thought set the stage for something extraordinary. Jay's vision, it wasn't just about convenience, it was about using overlooked parts of the pig, like the pork shoulder, which was notoriously hard to prepare. He wanted to transform it into a product that anyone could afford and enjoy. After years of experimenting, the idea finally came to life in 1937 with the launch of Spam. Named as a clever combination of spice and ham, Spam debuted at a time when the world was recovering from the hardships of World War I and the Great Depression. The timing couldn't have been better. People needed affordable, shelf-stable protein, and Spam delivered. Thanks to new technology, including advanced refrigeration and conveyor belts, Hormel Foods was able to produce Spam on a massive scale, ensuring its availability even in the most challenging times. But it was during World War II that Spam truly found its place in history. With fresh meat scarce, Spam became a vital resource for American troops, providing a nutritious and easy-to-transport option on the front lines. Soldiers got creative, using Spam grease to oil their guns and waterproof their boots. By the end of the war, over 150 million pounds of Spam had been shipped to troops worldwide. But Spam is more than just a long-lasting meal. It's a cultural icon. During World War II, Allied troops introduced Spam to places like Hawaii and Guam, sparking a love affair that endures to this day. In Guam, the average person consumes a staggering 16 cans of Spam per year, and in Hawaii, residents devour around 7 million cans annually. Spam musubi, a simple yet beloved dish made of Spam, rice, and seaweed, is a local favorite. It's so iconic that Honolulu hosts the annual Waikiki Spam Jam, a lively festival featuring Spam-inspired dishes and live performances. Spam's story takes a surprising turn in South Korea, where it's regarded as a luxury item. Introduced during the Korean War by American soldiers, Spam quickly became a treasured ingredient in Korean cuisine. Today, it's considered a premium gift, often included in elaborate Lunar New Year gift sets. This humble meat product has gone from survival staple to a symbol of respect and care, a testament to its cultural adaptability. Spam has transcended its status as a canned meat product to become a beloved comfort food with a story as rich as its flavor. Have you ever wondered how Spam, the iconic canned meat loved across the globe, makes its way from fresh ingredients to millions of cans on the shelves? Well, let's dive into the fascinating process where technology meets tradition to uncover the magic behind this culinary marvel. It all starts with the star of the show, pork shoulder and ham. Hormel Foods, the company behind Spam, goes to great lengths to ensure only the highest quality of meat can make it into their cans. Sourced from a combination of Hormel's own farms and trusted suppliers around the U.S., every cut is inspected rigorously upon arrival. Imagine a team of inspectors and machines working in harmony, testing for bacterial contamination, chemical residue, and even foreign objects. The meat is also graded based on fat content, lean cuts for Spam, with trimmings repurposed for other products. This meticulous selection ensures that every can delivers the signature Spam texture and flavor. But Spam isn't just about pork. It's a recipe of simplicity, containing just 6 key ingredients: pork with ham, salt, sugar, water, potato starch, and sodium nitrate. Each ingredient serves a purpose. Salt enhances flavor and acts as a preservative. Sugar balances the saltiness, and sodium nitrite works double duty, preventing bacterial growth while giving Spam its signature pink color. The real magic happens inside the factory, where cutting-edge technology and precision engineering bring the Spam recipe to life. Fresh pork shoulders and ham are trimmed, deboned, and cut into uniform pieces. The process begins with powerful industrial grinders that can process 8,000-pound batches of meat in minutes. These machines are more than just efficient, they ensure every bite of Spam is as smooth and consistent as the last. From here, the ground meat is chilled to just above freezing. Why? Well, cooling the mixture keeps it safe, prevents spoilage, and helps lock in moisture. The attention to detail is what gives Spam a legendary shelf life. Next, the cool mixture is transferred to vacuum mixers. These high-tech machines are vital in creating Spam's unique quality. By removing all air, the mixers create a vacuum-sealed environment that stops the meat from drying out or losing its moisture during cooking. As the mixers churn, the pork is blended with salt, sugar, water, and sodium nitrite. The precise measurements ensure that every batch tastes identical, whether you're opening a can in Austin, Minnesota, or enjoying it in Seoul, South Korea. Here's a fun fact. The exact balance of these ingredients is a closely guarded secret, known only by a select few at Hormel Foods. Once mixed, the Spam batter is ready for its iconic home, the rectangular can. Specialized filling machines portion the mixture with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring each can is filled to the exact weight and volume. Even here, technology plays a vital role, with metal detectors scanning the mixture one final time to ensure nothing unwanted sneaks through. These cans aren't just containers, they're marvels of engineering, designed to keep Spam fresh for years. The airtight seal, combined with the pre-cooked mixture, ensures that Spam can be safely stored without refrigeration, making it a staple for emergencies and culinary adventures alike. From here, it removes the sealing process, where lids are tightly crimped onto the cans by advanced sealing machines. This step is crucial. Any air left in the can could spell disaster for Spam's iconic shelf life. To catch any imperfections, the sealed cans take a quick dip in a water bath, revealing leaks or weak seals. At Hormel Foods, no shortcut is too small, with multiple checkpoints ensuring every seal meets their rigorous standards. But sealing is just the beginning. Now comes the high-stakes phase, cooking and sterilization. The sealed cans are carefully loaded onto massive pressurized retorts, which are giant pressure cookers designed to handle up to 66,000 cans in a single run. Inside the retorts, high heat and pressure work their magic, achieving two critical goals: fully cooking the pork mixture to perfection and sterilizing the contents to eliminate harmful bacteria. Fun fact, this meticulous cooking process is what allows Spam to remain safe and delicious for years without refrigeration. The temperatures and pressure inside these machines are monitored with laser-sharp precision, ensuring that every can of Spam meets Hormel's exact food safety standards. After cooking, the cans are rapidly cooled to halt the process, locking in flavor and freshness. But even then, the journey isn't over. Each can is inspected again to confirm that the seals remain intact and the product meets Hormel's high-quality benchmarks. With the Spam fully cooked and sterilized, the cans head up for a quick cleanup. They're washed and dried to remove any residue from the cooking process, ensuring a pristine presentation. Then it comes to the final steps: packaging and labeling. Each can is printed with the iconic Spam logo, expiration date, and essential tracking info. For a product sold in over 44 countries, this stage requires meticulous care to ensure that labels appear in multiple languages. The cans are then packed into sturdy cardboard cases, palletized, and shrink-wrapped for shipping. Finally, the pallets are loaded onto trucks bound for warehouses and retailers worldwide, completing the journey from factory to fork. From its airtight seals to its unmistakable logo, every can of Spam is a testament to innovation, precision, and decades of culinary tradition. Now, getting millions of cans of Spam from the factory floor to the store shelves is a marvel of logistics and precision planning, a process as meticulously crafted as the product itself. Behind the scenes, Hormel Foods has built an expansive network of distribution centers and transportation partners that ensure Spam is always just an aisle away for consumers. Imagine towering warehouses filled with neatly stacked cases of Spam, every one ready to embark on its journey to supermarkets worldwide. These aren't just ordinary storage spaces, they're equipped with advanced inventory management systems that track every case. With a few clicks, Hormel can locate, allocate, and dispatch Spam to where it's needed most. This cutting-edge system ensures that stores are always stocked, leaving no room for empty shelves. When an order comes in, the process kicks into high gear. Warehouse staff, think of them as the unsung heroes of this culinary operation, swiftly pick the required number of cases and load them onto trucks. But not just any trucks. For shorter distances, Hormel Food relies on a fleet of refrigerated trucks to keep Spam at peak freshness. For cross-country hauls, third-party trucking companies and rail carriers step in, forming a seamless transportation network that spans the nation. Now here's the kicker. Most Spam is delivered to retailers within just a few days of production. This just-in-time delivery model minimizes storage time, ensuring maximum freshness and shelf life for consumers. It's a system designed for speed and efficiency, allowing Spam to move from factory to fork with impressive swiftness. Spam's durability is legendary. Hormel, its creator, claims that when stored properly, a can of Spam can last indefinitely. Of course, quality will take a hit after about 5 years, but its longevity is no accident. Hormel estimates it sells 3 cans of Spam every second, with over 8 billion cans sold since its debut. Spam is nothing short of a global phenomenon. Of course, no food product is without its controversies. Critics point out that Spam is high in fat and sodium, with a single 12-ounce can containing 16 grams of fat and a third of your daily salt intake. While Hormel offers lower fat and reduced sodium versions, experts still recommend eating Spam in moderation. Hormel's ability to adapt, introducing flavors like teriyaki and jalapeno, keeps Spam relevant even in an era dominated by organic and plant-based diets. Spam's enduring success is a masterclass in branding and adaptability. From its role as a wartime necessity to its place in global cuisines, it's a product that stood the test of time. Today, fans can dive deeper into its story at the Spam Museum in Austin, Minnesota. This interactive experience showcases Spam's history, how it's made, and its impact worldwide, cementing its legacy for future generations. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Spam, from simple cuts of pork to an iconic global staple. Next time you open a can, think about the journey it's taken, the precision of the meat processing, the dance of robotic arms in the canning line, and the logistical ballet that brings it to your plate. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible story behind it, from the farmers who raise the pigs to the factory workers who seal in the can. It's a true labor of love. So, what other iconic foods are made in ways that will blow your mind? Well, stick around, because this is just the beginning of our exploration into the amazing world of food tech. Until next time, keep wondering, keep learning, and remember, there's a story behind every bite.